What's up, you guys?
Wait, guys, I look just like my mama. I look just like my mama, see?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Hey Shay Vlogs. I am getting ready to do a vlog today because me and Roddy can go run a few errands. Watch out. I want to go to the swap meet because these necklaces had broke. So hold on. Do you guys even know what a swap meet is? Comment down below if you guys have a swap meet where you at. But hold on one second. Guys, so hey, welcome to Hey Shay Vlogs. Today is August 5th and today is a Thursday. So I'm gonna go run some errands. I'm gonna take Roddy to the swap meet because she wanna get some clay stuff that she's seeing from TikTok. What is it called, Roddy?
The little Papa Ding swear for that car.
Yeah, so we're gonna go do that. We need to go to Big Lots to
Wait,
get some.
that's one more thing. They made a different Papa Dings. You need to make with Play-Doh.
You got Play-Doh. So I need to go to Big Lots to get some washing detergent, and I think that's it, if I'm not mistaken. Swap meet, Big Lots, and that's it. So we're gonna get ready to go because this swap meet is gonna close in 2 hours, so we can get ready to go.
Not 2 hours, it's 4 days.
That's 2 hours, Riley. All right, let's rock and roll. Ready to go. Got her mask. We are required to wear masks back in. We have to wear masks inside. Anything indoors, we have to wear masks. Outside, you do not.
Like at the water park, you don't have to wear that.
Yeah, so outside you don't, but inside you have to wear it. And the swap meet is inside, so
that a lot of his students haven't even gone to the beach. Because when you're born and raised near the beach, it doesn't really seem like, you know, it'll ever leave you. So you kind of take things for granted. But those students couldn't go to the beach because they just never been exposed to the beach. So, but when you're touring LA, you want to go to the beach because you live in Memphis, Tennessee. There's no beach in Memphis, Tennessee, right? So I'm asking from a local perspective, what should a visitor in LA do that won't be included in the tourism guide? You feel what I'm saying, Emmett?
I feel you 100%.
Come join, come thrive, and come succeed.
yes. Yes.
If New York City is America, everything is America.
Everything is not America, Riley. But if you want to think that, you can go ahead and think that. But that's not what I that's not what I said. This is a whole world. To you it feel that way because you're little, but once you get older you'll realize it's other places than America.
So why do it all have America flags?
Because this is America. If it's not America, it's not going to have a flag. America is big, so it's New York.
If it was green, black, and white, it's not going to have America.
No, because that's not America. America, America. What the heck? America. Oh God, Roddy. What's that about? Owl parts. You too much. So, Roddy, the street that we're on right now is called Delamo. Yes, and that's the reason why it's called the Delamo Swap Meet that we're going to, because it's on the street Delamo.
And like, you stop blue truck and take like almost out trash or something. Yeah.
Huh? 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 You're silly.
You're silly.
Oh, this is my song. Girl, that's Beyonce. You don't know nothing about that. What you know about that, girl? You make me happy. Hey! You took. You stay right beside me. Yeah. say so. If you say so.
45.
If you.
45.
So here's the swap meet. We made it. Hopefully the places that, because even though the swap meet closed at 6 o'clock, some places closed before then. So we'll see. Roger. Alrighty, look at they have freaking roll backpacks here. I wonder how much they're cost. See, I should have came here. They got Shawkins. Come on.
Around kids her age.
I don't even see that stuff, Riley. This is where I get my jewelry from. Shut up. So this is where I get my jewelry from.
Yeah.
Huh? What about this one?
This one, you know, the connecting, very big, you know, the different, right? It's okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm connecting. Not exactly.
You said it's gonna be ugly.
Everybody same thing. Because this one is a very good design. Or just one time in there, very good.
Dang, see? What? Well, how much you cost just to put it back together?
This one for $20.
$20? Okay, that's fine. You could do it.
Yeah.
Girl, you have all this stuff. Look at Roddy, they got some big ones right there. The big tubes.
Yeah.
Come on, let's ask her if she got clay.
Yeah, but I really don't have it. I really don't have it.
What is it?
The octopus split and a circle dimple. I don't have that.
So if you get that, you're not going to get no clay, okay? Look at. Girl, the swami is where it's at. This is so cute, Roddy.
And that looks so cute.
Go ask her. Oh, they got hair stuff up in here. Show her what you want.
I want this and this.
Okay.
Do you have clay?
Okay, we have and then what color? Pink one?
How much that cost?
8 and 6.
Okay. So you could keep the $1. So that she could keep the $1.
I'll give you a bag. The carry is too hard.
She's gonna give you a bag, okay? You can get $50 bag. Go. I don't know. They have some. Thank you.
No choice.
It's good. As long as it could go on my neck, it's fine. Thank you. No. It's okay. Thank you.
See,
Oh.
I almost have all of this.
So now I got my chain fixed.
I love
I love you too, baby.
Can I tell the camera something? Guys, I got something out of the store. And you know I almost have all the fishes if y'all know about it. So I have this pocket bracelet and yeah. Oh, somebody's calling you.
Yeah, just annoying.
So y'all, yeah. That's what. We just have to swap meet. Comment down below if you know about it. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
So the place where I got your, I don't know where I was at. Wait a second.
Over here.
The thing about it is you could definitely get lost in here. I don't know what. Let's go back this way. I'm about to get here. So this is the right way. You can get lost in the swamp because it's kind of big here. So you can get things sold
I don't want
here.
to get lost, Mama.
No, I know now. We came from this way. They have luggage and all types of stuff. Yeah, we came this way. Oh, they got a juicer. I want a juicer. This is where you get all your t-shirts and stuff from. It's like a one-stop shop, okay? Did I get it from here? You guys have clay?
Yeah.
Oh, here you go, Riley. Hold on, let me turn this on. These are fine. Cool, no tax? Cash, yes. 5, 10, 15, and then 20. You want a rainbow, Riley?
Huh?
And then we could do a rainbow. So 25. How much are your big poppets? They're 18.
20, 18, 16, $10.
You okay, Roddy? You see one you want?
Yeah. $6. This costs only $6.
Yeah.
I want it.
No.
That's not even $10.
So 30. You want me on it? Okay. Thank you, Mama. Come on. Bye-bye. All this is all fidgets. That don't make no sense. No, in clay. You got your clay too. Yeah.
The okay.
Yeah. Come by me. Don't walk in the street, okay?
Okay.
No, because we just came from the swap meet, and I'm so freaking upset. I just paid to get my necklace fixed. Why get in the car and break again?
I don't know.
Tell me why that.
I don't know.
I just paid to get it fixed and then broke again. Oh, but
And they made her waste all her money for
nah,
that.
he cool with me. I'm gonna go and tell him. I'm gonna tell him he's not gonna charge me to fix it again. So I'll show you guys what Roddy ended up getting at the swap meet. But I thought she was gonna spend $20. I was like, in my mind, I didn't tell her that, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna have her $20 to the side, and she could use that to get her clay and stuff. She ended up spending $55, and then
$55.
55, and then 15. Wait, I gave you a 20. So 55, $75. She spent $75.
Wait, y'all. My mom is a hot mess. She said I owe her my
Yeah, she had $15 at home and she's giving it to me. Because I was not.
No, I have 14 at home.
Okay, well, you need to give it to me, okay?
No, I'm not there for my brother because he have $200.
No, I don't.
bills.
No,
Yeah.
I don't.
Yes,
So we're
he
finna
did.
go inside of the, hold on, we're finna get ready to go inside of the 99-cent store to get her some polish so she can make that poppet stuff or whatever it's called. What is it called, Ronnie?
The little poppet thing.
Yeah, so let's go do that. So, see, this is why I don't like the, this is the 99-cent store. And in one of my vlogs a long time ago, I was really glad I don't like this place. Because it stinks in here. It stinks in here and it's dirty. I don't like that. The polish would be down here, Ronnie.
They have this pink.
Oh yeah, that's a better pink. Put it in there. They got that blue.
They have no green.
Nope.
No green, not green for no reason.
It don't have to be green, right? It could be any color, and you gotta guess what color it is. There goes some down there. Hello, can I have a bag, please?
Yeah.
hard thing.
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Pretty good. 672.
What? No. Put your seatbelt on. You so much.
Okay, now say all together.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
I don't like being so close to bus.
Huh?
You know? Like when I'm driving next to a bus, I don't like that.
You don't like that?
My
What
desk.
if you was inside the bus, and somebody else was trying to the bus, but would you still like that? No.
Huh?
What if you was inside your own bus, trying for the kids to sue, and another bus passed? Would you like that?
Yeah, that's fine because it's like a bus is big, and then but if I'm in another big, if I'm the one with the big car, I don't feel nervous. But if I'm driving a small car and I see a bus, I feel nervous. I don't like that.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it,
You want your person
I wanna see it. See how
She was being very difficult because she was
rewind when we rewind.
Look at this. Look at this.
she like nasty stuff.
Look at this. Look at this. Mama, look at this.
Girl, stop.
Hola, mamacita. Hola.
Hola, mamacita.
Oh, wait, let me tell it. Hola, mamacita. Hold it up.
So, Rodney,
Wow.
tell them how I wanted to take you to the Orange County Fair today, but you didn't want to because you're scary.
I'm not silly. I don't want this one down the lights.
Hmm?
I just didn't want to down the lights.
Why not?
Because I'm silly.
So, ooh, yummy. Thank you. Your nails are pretty.
Thank you.
Look at that.
I was have to try yours.
No, you have your
It
own.
look good.
You have the same thing.
But you have stripe in yours.
Oh my god. That is good.
Oh my god, that's good.
That sure is.
You want to try mine? Or not gonna try?
Let's go how? Look. I wanted to have sushi, but Roddy don't care for sushi that much.
No, I don't like sushi.
I did, girl. I'm ass.
Nice. And if y'all be on TikTok,
Don't be so loud. Don't talk that loud. You have to be, no, you can talk, but not so loud. You have to realize there's other people in here. You heard what I just said. So what you getting? You getting the chicken strips?
Don't worry about what I did. Don't worry about what you did.
Ooh. I'm gonna take all that stuff back. Just waiting for our food to come, and then after here, even though Roddy said she didn't want to go to the park, we're going to go to the park. And why? Yes, we're going to go to the
No,
park.
it's hot.
It's not. It feels so good outside.
It's hot.
You don't want to go feed the ducks?
No. Go to the arcade.
No, we're not. She just literally spent $75 at the swap meet.
I said 74.
She spent $75.
So 74.
Yeah, 74 because they gave the. How do you know? it was 74. It definitely was 74. I had to get ready to do her
First of
hair.
all-
She goes to school in 2 more
Yeah.
weeks.
First
Really
of
like
all-
1 more week. Not this
Yeah.
Monday, but next Monday she starts school.
Ah. So we have this tree.
Just
And,
crazy.
yeah. Nice, that's what. So when we go home, my mama said, a little later we gonna do something like make those little pop balls. You know what we was talking about?
Oh, you know, Roddy, we didn't even get like a foam thing to make the stick stand up so it could dry.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you for that.
So anyways, I'll show you guys at home the stuff that the stuff that she ended up getting. I didn't get anything.
No, yes you did.
I only got my chain fixed, and and as soon as I got in the car, I broke it again. It's a nice little view. Is it cute? You want to sit on that side? They're about to make me act black, because it's taking a long time to read our food. We've been sitting here for like, what, 20 freaking minutes?
Like,
So good. Thank you.
you're welcome. If your princess wishes for upside the water,
So good.
what's in there?
It's a coin in there?
Yeah. Oh, I can't put
It don't work. Try this one.
Yeah, I can't. Like it. Sometimes you get sometimes.
I think you get to go again,
Yeah.
because it's only 50 cents to play.
No.
Press the red, yes.
This one was easier on this side. I'll try the blue one.
Oh, they so cheaters. Woo. Guys, so we're finally back home, and it's hot. We have made it to the swap meet in just enough time, because it was really getting ready to close. What day? Ooh.
I'm like, come here.
Here, go put your charger, your phone on the charger. It feels good in Roddy's room. So the other day, I had did a oh, let me see if this can stand up, because if it could, that would be. Is there something?
I'm not pressing the button.
So I got this because I want to use this for a hair bucket, and then Roddy got, what did you? Hold on, let me turn, because she's so amped to tell you guys. 1 second.
Hold on it.
Good job, mamas. So I'm going in my room. It's hot.
Yes, it is. I'm going in my room.
Roddy, you could take this stuff and put it over there if you would like. I need to take that stuff downstairs, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Not right now. Not right now. Your paper and stuff, put it on the thing.
I'm tired. Don't you see?
I'm tired too. You haven't even did anything. I'm the one who's been driving and running around.
How come I haven't tried to run around?
Guys, I'm so tired.
Guys, I'm so tired. Hi.
Oh. Okay.